Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to kill yourself. Hey, just kidding. Look at my little friends here. Hi, please don't kill me. Look, they're like little triplets. They follow each other. Oh, they're gone. Oh, okay. You can see their little bodies. Whoop. Okay, bye. Today we're going to be a rapid response team and be gay. Okay. This is where 109 is, but in this game, 136? 196. No, this is SCP roleplay. Oh, frick. Okay. Yeah. Like 109. You want it? No, I'll show you a picture. I'm going to show everybody a picture. SCP 109. He's beautiful, and I should have him as my Google background. What? No. What? No. SCP 109. What? That's not what I'm looking for. SCP 109. SBC. What? SCP. What? Okay, guess you guys don't get to see. Okay, shut up, Pauline. Okay, just shut up. This is where the By the way, if you're new, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I make another bad video. If you touchy thisy, you get infected. I'm gonna do that later in the video to be a little meanie. Wait, who let an SCP out? It can't get up. What the heck? There's not supposed to be. There's little. Oh wait, it can climb. Oh God, no. I gotta get the SCP back in there. No, now you get to experience what happens. Shit, no. Ah! Open. Oh. Gotta time this right. Oh! I timed that perfect! I'm an actual god. This is weird. What? Time it right. Come on. Go. Come on. 3. Shoot. This is what happens when. Oh, God. This recorder keeps lagging my games. Come on. Time right. Oh. Oh. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna. Fucking. I'm gonna die. Goodbye, world. Ugh. I died. You know, if you're seeing this video, look on my channel if you like to play emergency response, Liberty County. I'm gonna be making a video on that after this, probably. Oh my god, shut up. Okay.
Are you recording?
What?
Are you recording?
Yeah. I'm recording.
You do a horrible flamingo voice.
What? You sound like Miranda saying. Oh, shark.
You don't sound like Miranda singing. Don't be. Okay, that sounded like her though. Oh, so that's where it went. You took it.
That's mine.
No, it's not, Jake.
That's mine.
This is the one for the thing.
That's the one for this.
No, Jake, this is the same exact one for like the bathroom.
Yeah, but that's mine. We got the same LEDs. My sister is being a poopy. She thinks I have a thingy that's up my. Oh! Oh my god! No, I'm gonna edit that part out. Alright, your breath stinks.
What did you say?
I hate you.
I hate me too.
Oh, that smells good. It smells like hot chocolate.
Good.
What? I freaking. That's. I freaking saw him! What the fuck? And that. Oh, by the way, every time at the end of the video, I do ASMR with Jake. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. By the way, that was a skit. I did that on purpose. Shoot, why didn't I? Alright, got him. You guys see, I have a beautiful face. I am mad. I rage. Oh, you want to see another SCP? He's pretty hot. Wait. Not. Oh, shoot. He's not in there. Frick. Oh, that's not good. We're gonna go see some Class D people. Oh, frick.
Do you want an ice cream cone? You want a... Okay, here, take it.
No. No.
Lick.
Shove it back in there. Oh, I totally forgot about you guys. Before we were doing a test, as you saw, and now, as you can see what I was typing, we are getting nuked right now. You guys are not going to miss this, and I don't think you want to miss this. We only have a couple minutes of the video left, but this is going to be awesome, and it's going to be an awesome way to end this. Okay, it's going to start soon. If you guys don't get to see this part, I'll try to start another video right away. And do a part 2. You know what? I'm going to do a part 2 really quick. Never mind. We only got a couple seconds. Okay. If you guys haven't already liked and subscribed, please do it. The nuke happened. This is going to be a great way to end. Okay. Bye, guys.